Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channels. So today is April the 8th, 2023, and the raised bed is all tilled up there, and it's time to start planting our onion and garlic. Now typically you plant the garlic in the fall time, but our stores don't get it in the fall, they get it in the springtime. So we're going to be planting it in the spring.
Right.
And we have some onion sets here. We have the yellow, the harvest blend, the white, and the red. Plus then we have all of our seedlings that are in the second greenhouse, still hardening off. Now I do have a video on my channel. We're breaking we're breaking the garlic apart here, and I do have a video on my channel for fall planting garlic, and I talk about and show how to soak your garlic cloves to get them off to a better start. But we're just going to plant these in here and getting the cloves there broken apart. You can see what the cloves look like here when they're all broke apart. So there's 11 out of that one there.
Being that they're not so 12, I'm sorry.
Okay, 12.
So I don't know how they're going to work not being soaked, but we're going to try them. These got to get planted. So
for spring sowing, you want to go about 1 to 2 inches deep. If you're doing these in the fall time, you want to put them down deeper. And like I said, I recommend checking out the video that I did. I'll put a link down in the description of this video here for a fall sowing of garlic if you're interested in that. So they're going about 4 inches apart, and we made our row here with our garden tools. Oops. Good enough. They're slippery like. So when planting your garlic, the pointy side goes up and the flat side goes down.
Almost made a boo-boo. And you can tell your bottom now.
Yeah, your bottom's going to have where the roots previously were from the bulb. So that's another way that you can tell which side is the bottom. Okay, so this row here is planted. We have 4 of them left. You can see one of them is sprouting. We're just getting these covered up here. And we're going to put the last 4 along this row here.
1, 2, 3. Go up that way with it.
And next we're going to get the onions planted then. And we put wooden boards across our raised beds so that we don't walk on the soil and compact it down. It does need a little raking up, but it's not like stepping in it and sinking. So that is something that we do use in raised beds, and we even use them in the garden in different places when we're planting, so that our soil doesn't sink when we're stepping in it. It's a lot nicer. It doesn't compact like normal. So we're going to put the red in beside the garlic, and I love red and purple onions. So this is 100 bulbs. It was like $3.24, so that's a really nice price for 100 bulbs. But like I said, we do also have our seedlings. So the onions go in 1 to 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. And getting them stuck in here.
Dead or alive?
Spring it.
It looks like it was trying to sprout and it may have gotten dry, so it's hard to say on that one.
You get these here, you get a half and half.
Yeah, sometimes they start sprouting in the store because of where they have them at, or it's warm in there, and yeah, that's just kind of something that happens sometimes.
They're so squishy.
You can see here the onions are planted in the ground there. Now if you're going to use these for spring onions, for like pulling them in the spring to go with your salads, you can plant them closer together, but we're most likely going to be letting these in for the full term. So we did space them. But some people do pull them for like spring onions, and they have a smaller bulb on them, a lot smaller, but people like them in their salads and different things. So that is an option that you can choose to do there. So we did mix a lot of decomposed horse manure in with our raised beds this year. And you want to make sure that the stuff is decomposed and broken down pretty good, because if it's too fresh, it will actually wind up burning your stuff, and you don't want to do that. So we're just getting the onions covered up here. So we're getting the onions covered up here, and not getting out any weeds. Okay, so all of the onion sets are planted in the garlic, and we still have some room left, so we'll put the onion seedlings in later. And this is planted over here with the yellow onions. So the mixed one and this one over here, and then we have the whites and the reds and the garlic. So as these continue to grow throughout the season, I'll be coming back with more video updates, and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.